If you have a case with any sort of DNA or forensic evidence, you really need to understand it and have your attorney either explain it to you or hire a DNA expert to explain the results to you if you do have the budget for that. What happens when we do initial consultations, especially if we're coming on to do the trial, is we ask the client all these questions about the DNA on their case. Is it single source contributor? Is it a mixture? How many contributors are in the mixture? What sort of DNA testing was done? And the client's like, I don't know. And it makes it really hard for us to assess in that initial consultation what we think the chances are at trial, just based on this forensic evidence. So if you have any sort of crime case, if you have any sort of SA case or possession or even like property crimes involving DNA, you really need to make sure that you understand what the results are. And it's one thing to say, oh, the DNA is on it, but it's something else to say, this is a single contributor DNA, these are skin cells, and this is where it was located. So make sure you really, really understand your DNA results. And if you can't figure it out just by looking at the paperwork that you have, you need to set time aside with your attorney to talk about these forensics. And sometimes they get so convoluted, your lawyer may need to go out and hire a DNA expert to review the results with you and with the attorney.